Here at Bowden's Own, we're really enthusiastic about leather care, and we believe it shouldn't be a difficult task. With the help of our team of research chemists, we've developed a fantastic modern leather care system designed specifically for modern PU top-coated leather, semi-aniline, and even various vegan types of leathers too. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to clean, condition, and protect your leather so that it remains looking and feeling as good as new for years to come. Make sure the car is in a cool and shaded area and the leather is cool to touch. Before cleaning your leather, vacuum the seats with a soft brush attachment to remove any heavier debris that could potentially scratch the leather surface. Spray 2 to 3 sprays of the pH neutral Leather Love cleaner and conditioner into a square bare applicator pad. If you require extra cleaning power or you're cleaning larger flatter areas, spray into either our plush brush or foursome brush set. Now massage into the surface, doing small sections at a time with a gentle circular or back and forth motion, paying extra attention to stitching and high wear areas like seat bolsters. Don't stress about perforations in the leather, as Leather Love and Leather Guard will not block these up or leave any white residue in there. You'll also enjoy that rich and luxurious leather aroma that Leather Love provides. It's critical to remove Leather Love while it's still wet. Wipe it off with a folded, low pile side of a plush daddy cloth. This wet residue will contain all the dirt and grime that was built up on the surface, so fold it to a clean side when it becomes dirty so that you don't transfer the grime you've just removed back into the leather. If your leather is dry and neglected, apply the Leather Love a second time with a square bare, but this time leave it to sit for a couple minutes before buffing off any remaining residue. This will help to rehydrate and restore suppleness back to the leather. When the square bare pad is starting to look a bit dirty, you can hand wash it out in a bucket of water. Simply rub the square bare against the Great Barrier thingy in the base of the bucket to remove the grime buildup on the applicator surface. Then gently wring it out, spray some more Leather Love into it and continue with your cleaning. If your leather is quite dirty or there's been silicone or oil-based products used on it previously, we recommend starting with a deeper clean using our pH neutral all-purpose cleaner Orange Agent. Spray into a square bare applicator pad or a brush if you need stronger cleaning, and then gently agitate. While the product is wet, wipe it off with a folded Dirty Deeds microfiber cloth to ensure the dirt doesn't dry back onto the leather, always using a clean side of the cloth for each wipe. Orange Agent leaves a pretty stark and dry finish, so apply Leather Love on the area straight afterwards to get it looking and feeling back to how the leather should be. Leather Guard is an important final step in our leather care system. It offers UV protection, stain resistance, and helps prevent the gradual abrasion of the PU coating on higher wear areas of the leather surface. Leather Guard gets applied the same way as the Leather Love with a square bare applicator. It's important to pay extra attention to the high wear areas like seat bases and bolsters. Leave it to sit for about 5 minutes and then wipe away any remaining residue with the low pile side of the Plush Daddy microfiber cloth. And that's it, all done. This quick process is all that's needed to help restore the leather's beautiful matte finish, supple feel, and rich aroma that all leather fanatics love. I hope you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching, and happy leather cleaning.